Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the definitive troubleshooting steps to eliminate the frustrating FHC01 video card crash error from interrupting your racing sessions. This specific error code triggers when the game engine detects a critical communication timeout with your graphics processing unit, usually caused by outdated display drivers or unstable system overclocks. To fix this, you want to perform a completely clean installation of your graphics software by using a driver uninstaller utility to wipe away old file remnants before installing the latest game-ready driver patch. Next, navigate straight into your graphics control panel, locate the global application settings, and set your power management mode explicitly to prefer maximum performance to ensure your card receives stable power. If the crash continues to surface on the track, open up your game layout settings to turn off ray tracing reflections and lower your environmental geometry complexity down a notch, which substantially reduces the heavy VRAM load. Finally, verify your local installation files through your digital storefront launcher to repair any corrupted game assets causing the graphics pipeline to collapse. Subscribe the channel for more videos.